everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a clean with me in my kitchen. As you can see, there is a lot of stuff that needs to be cleaned up. This will be my pretty much weekday morning / midday routine. And I hope you guys are excited and you need some cleaning motivation because I am here to give it to you. And I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. So right here you see me putting away my dinner. Even though it says on the clock that it's afternoon, I like to cook my dinner in the morning / I guess on today, afternoon. Due to my husband's work schedule, it works out better for us if I cook it that way instead of at night. And I actually like it a lot because it makes it a lot easier when it's nighttime and maybe I've had a long day and I don't really feel like cooking. I'm just like, ooh, I already have dinner made. So, yep. Every morning I pretty much cook breakfast. Nothing major, just something simple. If I'm not cooking, we're having oatmeal or something really light. But for the most part, I am cooking every morning. And I'm cooking breakfast, and depending on dinner and how that goes, I'll be cooking dinner as well. I don't really do a close-up here, but I am using Miss Meyer's multi-surface everyday cleaner, and it's in the scent honeysuckle. And you will get a closer view towards the end of the video. I usually just put my dishes in the dishwasher, but for the sake of this video, I decided to go ahead and wash them by hand. And I also don't always let the water run, but I do actually sometimes. I don't know why, it's just a thing that I have. I don't always like to have dishwater, but I do it often. But for this video, I'm not using it, but just to let you know. were wondering, I don't pack my lunch to eat at home in my lunchbox. This is actually lunch that I pack for my husband so that he can take to work. I love this cast iron. I love cast irons, period, but I love this cast iron, and I actually got it like 2.5 years ago in Walmart, and it's the I can't think of her name, but Pioneer Woman. It's the Pioneer Woman cast iron, but I love, love, love it. Before I put my cast iron away, I like to put some olive oil in it and give it some seasoning to it. Not sure how everyone else likes to season their cast iron, but I put olive oil in it and I stick it in the oven for a minute on 350, not too long. But let me know in the comments how you like to pre-season your cast iron. You're probably wondering, where did those dishes come from? Well, this is real life, and I had me a real life snack. And so here I'm just washing the dishes that I had left over from my snack and finishing up some stuff from breakfast that morning. One of the YouTubers that I watch, her name is Selma. She likes to do what she calls a sexy sink, and she cleans it up, and she just like really gives good detail of her sink, and she calls it a sexy sink. I love that. I don't think my sink is sexy. It could use a bit of work to get there, but it's clean. So yeah. been using my dishwasher a bit more here lately. I haven't really been utilizing my stoneware here, so it needed a little bit more attention than usual, so that's what I'm doing here. I don't really sweep that much anymore. If I do sweep, it's really small messes. I just feel like with vacuuming, it actually sucks things up, and sometimes I feel like sweeping just kind of puts things back into the air. It could just be me, but that's just my take on it. So I just really like to vacuum. And of course, my sweet Dakota had to come in as I'm mopping, so I had to go back over it. So I hope you all enjoyed my weekday kitchen routine. Hope I gave you some cleaning motivation yet again. I appreciate you stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you again. Have a great day. Bye.